this is really kind of a person-by-person judgment. And, I spoke about earlier about how in craft we learn to set boundaries that you can live with. And I think that those boundaries do vary according to the person. I think if you take a look at the impact of your loved one's use on you or your children or the other family members, if you think about things like, I wish they would stop doing this, or I wish they wouldn't use here, or I wish they wouldn't use before we go, to visit my family. I think those are key, those are kind of clues as to like, okay, maybe those are my boundaries. And, I know that there's been a lot of talk within kind of the addiction field about enabling and about how it's, how you're not supposed to do that with people. And, I think it's nice to kind of step out of that kind of talk about enabling and maybe turn enabling towards how can you help your loved one become sober? Like, how can you have more sober moments with that loved one? So you kind of enable them to do more of that. And in terms of kind of the tolerance aspect, I think that it really is a question that is going to depend on the individual and what their own kind of boundaries are and limits are.